Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we're going to dive into the next set of words in this series. Let's get started. Word, camaraderie. Spelling, C-A-M-A-R-A-D-E-R-I-E. Meaning, a feeling of friendship and mutual trust among people who spend a lot of time together. Synonyms, friendship, camaraderie, esprit de corps. Antonyms, hostility, animosity, discord. Usage. The team's camaraderie was a key factor in their success. The camaraderie among the soldiers helped them through tough times. Word, candor. Spelling, C-A-N-D-O-R. Meaning, the quality of being open and honest in expression, sincerity. Synonyms, honesty, sincerity, frankness. Antonyms, deceit, dishonesty, insincerity. Usage. Her candor about her past mistakes was admirable. The company's candor about the product's flaws was refreshing. Word, capacious. Spelling, C-A-P-A-C-I-O-U-S. Meaning, having a lot of space, roomy. Synonyms, spacious, roomy, expansive. Antonyms, cramped, confined, narrow. Usage. The capacious living room was perfect for entertaining. The capacious trunk of the car could fit all the luggage. Word, capitulate. Spelling, C-A-P-I-T-U-L-A-T-E. Meaning, to surrender or yield, especially under pressure or after a struggle. Synonyms, surrender, yield, concede. Antonyms, resist, fight, persevere. Usage. The army was forced to capitulate after a long siege. She finally capitulated and agreed to the terms. Word, censure. Spelling, C-E-N-S-U-R-E. Meaning, to express strong disapproval or condemnation of something. Synonyms, condemn, criticize, rebuke. Antonyms, praise, commend, approve. Usage. The government was censured for its handling of the crisis. The company's actions were censured by the regulatory body. Word, cerebral. Spelling, C-E-R-E-B-R-A-L. Meaning, relating to the brain or intellect. Synonyms, intellectual, mental, cognitive. Antonyms, physical, emotional. Usage. The cerebral approach to solving the puzzle was more effective. Cerebral activities like chess require strategic thinking. Word, chaos. Spelling, C-H-A-O-S. Meaning, a state of complete disorder or confusion. Synonyms, disorder, confusion, turmoil. Antonyms, order, harmony, peace. Usage. The storm caused chaos in the city. The room was in chaos after the party. Word, chronological. Spelling, C-H-R-O-N-O-L-O-G-I-C-A-L. Meaning, arranged in order of time. Synonyms, sequential, temporal, historical. Antonyms, random, unordered. Usage. The chronological order of events helped us understand the story. The historian organized the events in chronological order. Word, circumspect. Spelling, C-I-R-C-U-M-S-P-E-C-T. Meaning, careful to consider all circumstances and possible consequences. Synonyms, cautious, prudent, thoughtful. Antonyms, impulsive, reckless. Usage. She was circumspect in her decision-making. The lawyer advised his client to be circumspect in his statements. Word, cogent. Spelling, C-O-G-E-N-T. Meaning, clear, logical, and convincing. Synonyms, persuasive, compelling, rational. Antonyms, weak, unconvincing. Usage. The cogent argument won over the jury. The professor's cogent explanation helped the students understand. Word, cognizant. Spelling, C-O-G-N-I-Z-A-N-T. Meaning, having knowledge or awareness. Synonyms, aware, conscious, informed. Antonyms, unaware, ignorant. Usage. She was cognizant of the risks involved. The company was cognizant of the changing market trends. Word, coherent. Spelling, C-O-H-E-R-E-N-T. Meaning, logically connected and consistent. Synonyms, logical, consistent, clear. Antonyms, incoherent, disjointed. Usage. The coherent argument was easy to follow. The professor's coherent explanation helped the students understand. Word, complacent. Spelling, complacent. Meaning, feeling or showing satisfaction with one's own condition or situation. Synonyms: self-satisfied, content, smug. Antonyms: dissatisfied, unhappy. Usage: the complacent attitude led to a lack of innovation. She was complacent about her job security. Word: comprehensive. Spelling: comprehensive. Meaning, including or dealing with all or nearly all aspects of something. Synonyms: thorough, complete, extensive. Antonyms: partial, incomplete. Usage: the comprehensive report covered all aspects of the project. The comprehensive insurance policy provided full coverage. Word: concede. Spelling: concede. Meaning, to admit or acknowledge something as true or valid. Synonyms: admit, acknowledge, yield. Antonyms: deny, dispute. Usage: she conceded the point in the debate. The company conceded that the product had defects. Word: concise. Spelling: concise. Meaning, giving a lot of information clearly and in a few words. Synonyms: brief, succinct, clear. Antonyms: verbose, lengthy. Usage: the concise summary was helpful. The professor's concise explanation made the concept clear. Word: condone. Spelling: condone. Meaning, to accept and allow something to happen, even though it is wrong. Synonyms: tolerate, accept, pardon. Antonyms: condemn, reject. Usage: the company does not condone unethical behavior. She condoned her brother's actions, even though they were wrong. Word: consensus. Spelling: consensus. Meaning, a general agreement among a group of people. Synonyms: agreement, accord, unanimity. Antonyms: disagreement, dissent. Usage: the consensus among the team was to proceed with the plan. There was a consensus that the policy needed to be changed. Word: constituent. Spelling: constituent. Meaning, a person who has the right to vote for a particular politician or a part of something. Synonyms: component, part, voter. Antonyms: whole, entirety. Usage: the constituents were unhappy with the politician's decision. Water is a constituent of many beverages. Word: constrain. Spelling: constrain. Meaning, to limit or restrict something. Synonyms: limit, restrict, restrain. Antonyms: free, unrestricted. Usage: the new policy will constrain the company's growth. The lack of resources constrained the project's scope. Word: consummate. Spelling: consummate. Meaning, to complete or fulfill something. Synonyms: complete, fulfill, perfect. Antonyms: incomplete, unfulfilled. Usage: the deal was consummated after months of negotiation. The artist's skill was consummated in her latest work. Word: contemporaneous. Spelling: contemporaneous. Meaning, existing or occurring at the same time. Synonyms: simultaneous, concurrent, coeval. Antonyms: sequential, successive. Usage: the two events were contemporaneous. The contemporaneous accounts of the event were conflicting. Word: contentious. Spelling: contentious. Meaning, causing disagreement or argument. Synonyms: disputatious, argumentative, controversial. Antonyms: harmonious, agreeable. Usage: the contentious issue divided the community. The debate was contentious, with both sides presenting strong arguments. Word: contrite. Spelling: contrite. Meaning, feeling or showing regret and sorrow for having done something wrong. Synonyms: remorseful, repentant, sorry. Antonyms: unrepentant, defiant. Usage: he was contrite about his mistake. The contrite apology was accepted by the offended party. Word: convene. Spelling: convene. Meaning, to gather or come together for a meeting or purpose. Synonyms: assemble, gather, meet. Antonyms: disperse, scatter. Usage: The committee will convene next week. The conference will convene at 9 a.m. So, what did you think of this video? Let me know in the comments below, and if you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel, Kavi's Brain Boosters, to monitor your daily progress and get the latest updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.